In this video, I want to share what I have found to be the easiest work from home opportunity yet. It is my favorite side hustle. Stick with me and I'll show you how you can make money, lots of money, fast and easy in just minutes per day, even if you've never done anything like this before. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. And before we get going, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. I've been working a home business full-time for over 20 years now, and I've found a super lucrative home business where you don't even need to be home to do it. In fact, you can make money this way while you're doing almost anything you want. I even do it while I'm sailing in the summer or skiing in the winter. See, the right home business is not just about making more money, but creating time freedom too. So let me tell you about what I do and why it might be right for you also. It's a home business that's all online and automated. Anyone can do it. No previous experience is needed. It really is a beginner simple way to earn significant extra money. And if you've checked out other work from home business opportunities and side hustles already, you'll really like this. It's different from the others. First off, it's the most affordable home business I know of. So many others cost a small fortune just to get started, and then as soon as you do get started, they surprise you with other big expenses too. Well, there are no other expenses, no additional tools or systems to buy here, no big learning curve either. You won't need to spend a dime on advertising or marketing costs or training programs or coaching. There's no sales funnel or marketing system to buy, no domain or web hosting expenses either. And this is not one of those MLM things where you have to buy their products every month. Here's how this simple home business works. You'll have your own personalized website that does all the work 24/7. You don't have to explain anything. You don't have to talk to anyone. You just let the website do the work. All you do is send people to the website. And we teach you all kinds of ways to get people to your website for free in just minutes per day. The website takes it from there. But you do not need to build a website. That's done for you too. You do not need to buy an email autoresponder either. You will not need to write a bunch of emails to send out. Your website takes care of all the follow-up also. Your website really does do everything. And talk about making money fast. Get this, many new people start making money their very first day. You can get paid every Thursday. I love getting paid by direct deposit. And even better, unlike so many other home businesses out there, this one pays out recurring income too. That's money that comes in month after month. Talk about leveraging your time. Imagine getting paid months from now for what you start today. This home business really is easier than you think. Excellent training and support are provided, and I will be your personal mentor and coach. I'll be here to help you every step of the way. To see how easy this really is and start making money today, go to my website at wannalivebetter.com. Again, that's wannalivebetter.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.